Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon to stay connected and notified. Thank you. In this particular video, we'll explore physiotherapy news around the world year 2020. Part 1. So let's begin the video. Year 2020 has been an unprecedented year around the world, especially for the health workforce working tirelessly in the fight against COVID-19. Physiotherapists has again proved and earned the laurel by working very hard to help people throughout this pandemic across the world, and many of the news media has published about this. Some of them I'm sharing here. As you can see, PGIMER physiotherapy plays. It says about that physiotherapy plays crucial role in treating critically ill COVID patients. Published source is the Indian Express, 11th June 2020. Another is physiotherapy has been playing a vital role in ensuring early recovery and rehabilitation in COVID-19 patients. Source Times of India, 12th October 2020. And another is doctors said exercise help improve breathing and mobility post COVID-19. Source Hindustan Times, 19th October 2020. Likewise, you can also see that the many other news medias across the world like The Guardian has published about the physiotherapy, Pursuit, CSP, Chartered Society of Physiotherapy, Add Today, etc. Physiotherapist once again has proven to be a hero fighting against the COVID-19, and some of the sayings about the physiotherapist by the P members, doctors and physicians is go by this, that doctors in this city have stated that physiotherapy helps people to improve oxygen uptake and are keeping them mobile. Physiotherapy gets patients up and moving and facilitate their discharge from intensive care and from hospital as quickly as possible. So these were the saying by some of the doctors to the physiotherapists who are fighting against the COVID-19. Okay, now coming back to the other physiotherapy news are, as you can see here, the study conducted by SNT in UK shows that virtual physiotherapy is just as effective as in-person treatment. And some of the example like PhysiTrack, Kaya Health app. So they say that the virtual physiotherapy is also very effective. It's just as effective as an in-person treatment, and these are the apps which is developed to fight against the COVID-19 and provide the physiotherapy treatment online. Source Mobi Health News, 14 July 2020, and the link is there. You can read the full report accessing through this link. Next in the list is 15-year-old girl Lavanya Iyer, by the name Lavanya Iyer, developed the robotic tool which can help in assisting movements and can become physiotherapist's best partner in managing sessions remotely. And this is something which is very helpful, needy for people, for the physiotherapists who are managing the patients, managing sessions remotely in these COVID-19 lockdown situations. And this is published in the source is Forbes India, 27th October 2020. Link is given for you to read the full report. Go and check out this news accessing through this link. Next in the list is Physiotherapy Department at Hamad Medical Corporation, HMC Qatar, has launched a new website that will include the online physiotherapy exercises programs for patients. Source The Peninsula Qatar's daily newspaper, 25th October 2020. The link is provided here for you to go and check out the full report. Basically, HMC is planning to upload the physiotherapy exercises videos, program videos for different conditions, diseases, or disorders, so that a patient can take a guidance and do these sessions, physiotherapy sessions remotely. But we don't know how much it will be effective. Next in the list is a state-of-the-art digital technology that targets different brain areas during specific physiotherapy strategies used to measure walking and brain activity changes in Parkinson's disease patients is being developed by researchers at Northumbria University, England. Source Parkinson's News Today, 17th December 2020. So you can go and check out this full report by accessing through this link. Next in the list is the Health and Wellbeing platform saw more than 1,000 digital physiotherapy bookings made by employees. Published in Language News, and also published similar news published in covermagazine.co.uk dated 7th December 2020. Of course, people who are working at home in this lockdown situation is facing the many health issues, and they are booking numerously for physiotherapy appointment using a digital platform. Next one is experts says that homeschooling is impacting health of children, and the issues that can come up are eyesight and unhealthy bone development. Source United News of India dated 24th December 2020. Check out the full report by accessing through this link. Next in the list is a recent advancement in physiotherapy equipment raises a concern. Yes, of course, it raises a concern. However, utilization of these equipments are extremely expensive. Everybody cannot afford this. At the same time, it comprises numerous ethical challenges as well. Yes, the question here is that whether this is really needful instead of doing the various types of physiotherapeutic exercises, neurological rehabilitations, and this of course are questionable and ethical challenges as well, a lot of ethical challenges as well. So this is published in the Future Market Insights FMI dated 2nd December 2020. Check out the full report accessing to this link. Please watch part 2 Physiotherapy News Year 2020. Links are mentioned in the video description as well for your quick access. Thank you.